Hello guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and if you would like to learn how to make a wicker headboard for a queen size bed, then just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Right now, I have my 1x4s laying on the bed, and I am going to drill holes in the bottom. So, I am going to, this is the head of my bed, so, and this is where the frame will be going, on here. So I got, it's holes right here, see? It's holes. So what I'm gonna do is line it up to the edge of my bed, and I'm just gonna mark, because there's 3 places where I can put screws at. And at the end of my wood, I should have my marks. You see the 3 lines? 1, 2, 3, okay? All right, so you see I got one board up. So only thing I did was once I drilled the holes in this board here, I just transferred it. I just laid it on top of here like I told you. And now I'm just gonna drill the holes. I marked my 3 spaces on here from this board. So now I'm just gonna drill 3 holes into this. The 3 holes I drilled. So now I'm just going to take my washer, my screw, and now it's ready to go. And then I put the rest of them in there. And now it's ready to go in the bed frame. All right, guys, as you see, the frame is up. There's a store closing around my house, and so I was able to get these boxes. So instead of trying to go to Home Depot or Lowe's or Menards to get some wood cut, I am going to put those boxes together to use as a stabilizer. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, trying to video for you guys and film this is really hard. So if you don't mind, and you hit that subscribe button, I'm thinking I can either take this put this up here, take the other one, put it up here, cut off the excess that's here. Once I tape it and get my measurements of what I need. See, no, I can't do that. I am going to need that one in the middle because that's going to make it thin. So let me get this right. Okay, so I am putting the other beam up right here with zip ties for now. All right, guys, I got the clamps on here. So what I'm gonna do is just cut out where everything stops on the board. And as you see, I got it clamped up here, I got it clamped here. I'm gonna mark it with my pencil, and I'm gonna cut it to the size. That's where it is. Then I'm gonna go on the other side, do the same thing. All right, now I'm just gonna cut the excess off. So I decided after every 2 headboards that I put on, well, every 2 cardboards that I put on, that I am just going to go around it with tape. Yeah, and it's on there. It is on there. I got this last box left, so I'm thinking about just putting this on the back to cover up the back and make it look nice and neat. So I think I'm gonna use this for the back. Yep, I am. 4 boards on the front, and for the last board that I have, I put it on the back so it can look professional. And I think I'm still gonna go get some black felt. You know how they be having underneath couches and stuff. But it looks good. Oh, all of this is gonna be covered. I'm not leaving it like that. Guys, this is the back of my headboard. It really looks better than the front, don't it? This is the back of my headboard and everything. I've still got the clamps up here holding it on. Let me see. Because I said 4.5 before. Let's see. That's 3. So what was I thinking? I think I said 3 point something. So 3 feet, 3.5 feet. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the top line back here. Guys, what you think? I think it looks better cut down. It's around just a little shorter than me, and that's fine. That's fine. Okay, guys, although the headboard turned out nice with the Walmart mats, like I said before, you can see the seams. You can see the seams, and I really don't care for that, you know. So I just want it to be one piece and look cohesive. I just want it to look nice and neat and like I bought it. But what I came up with, guys, you are going to absolutely love, because I love it. I went and got me an outdoor roller shade. Okay? I went and got me an outdoor roller shade from Lowe's. So what I am going to do, so I won't have any lines in this headboard, I'm going to apply that to my headboard that I have up here already. Okay, guys, so only thing you're going to need once you get your headboard up is some scissors and a staple gun. So let's slide this thing out. We're going to slide this out. I have enough room. There we go. Let me put this to the side. This color matched perfectly with my ceiling fan. This right here is a perfect match for what I'm trying to do. So what I am going to do is, now if I want, I can put some type of quilting behind here to make it fuller. So here is one of my, just a quilted blanket that I had purchased from Home Goods. Make sure that you have your vertical blind facing the right way. Because I'm going to use that pole to give it leverage. We're going to straighten out as much as we can. And we're gonna leave that pole on there. So here we are on the side of the bed frame. I'm gonna leave this pole on here because I'm using it to help hold the material in place for me. Make sure everything is neat and even. So now I am about to just start wrapping. Now I'm gonna start wrapping the edge of this headboard like a gift. Now we got to cut a little of the material off of the front so we can fold this material the way we need to fold it. There we are. Just so it can be flimsy, as this pole is still giving us weight to hold it down for us. So once you get it secure in one or two places, now we're going to go work on the other side, okay? We're going to go work on the other side. It's nice, it's smooth on the front. So let's go to the other side. So let's cut this pole. Well, the material from the pole. This time I'm gonna go all the way across. Okay, we got the pole off. See? So now down here by the mattress, we have the other pole. I think I'm gonna cut that last. So what I am gonna do is now fold this edge. So now we're going to cut off the front pole. Maybe I can slide it out if I just open up this edge. Maybe I ain't got to go through all this. See? So guys, this is the wicker headboard. I am very pleased with it. I'm not going to stop here. I'll do something else in a different video as far as how I can design it with whether rope, ribbon, mats, whatever I choose to design this with, I can do it. But for right now, this is the headboard. I love it, and it goes right with my ceiling fan. Alright guys, I am continuing to work on my headboard. Like I said before, you can design it any type of way you want to design it. Today I was in Walmart and I seen this hyper tough twisted sisal rope, and that's what I use to go around my headboard. And I like just leaving it like that as far as with the rope. I like this rope because it matched my ceiling fan basket. So everything is tying in good together. So guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.